literally live my dream or dreams. Everyone would be familiar with, digital nomad terms. And I basically say, look, I'm really the godfather of digital nomads because I've been living this lifestyle since April 2006. I know my lifestyle is inspiring others, and that drives me as well. I'm not lucky because I've created this lifestyle, but I also will do whatever I can to encourage others, if they want to live a similar lifestyle, to do so. And a couple of weeks ago, someone posted in a Facebook group or about thinking that it's time to sort of live the digital nomad lifestyle. And anyway, I made a comment, and because people are saying, Thailand, Bali, all these sort of places, and I just said, look, I've been living this lifestyle since 2006. If you want to have a chat, jump on a call. So I jumped on a Zoom with him to just cut him through all the bullshit of and give him some insights as to how we should go about it so he avoids any sort of costly mistakes. So, I didn't have to do that. I mean, I spent about 45 minutes on a Zoom with him. But I wanted to be able to share with him so if he does make that change, that he does it the right way and he's got some advice from someone who's been there and done it and been doing it for the last, 16 years.